Hello and welcome to our video. Today we'll be discussing one of the data trend. Uh, Last week, due to the festivities, we couldn't able to upload the data trend or our videos. So today we'll be discussing one of the data trend on electric vehicle, right? So EVs basically. Let me share my screen. So this particular data set is there is in data.gov where we have taken few data sets earlier. So similarly, you can find it here. And this particular data set, what we'll be showing it to you is this report. Let me make my screen fully visible. Okay, so this is what it is. You can see there are multiple charts are there. Also, we have this dynamic title which is talking about the EV makers of CAFV, clean alternative fuel vehicle eligibility. Right. So as you can see, that Tesla tops the chart even without this. Tesla tops the chart, and there are different 2025. If you see, still the Tesla is tops the chart 26K, and this data is mainly from the Washington state. Also, there are a few states. This vehicle is this data. I mean, this is comprises with those states as well. Yeah, and there are different car makers, right? EV makers, be it the Chevrolet, Kia, BMW, Nissan, so on and so forth. Also, we have one more feature called darker version as a lighter version. If you click here, it will take you to the lighter version. As you can see, this is the lighter version, and so there are almost the similar kind of features there. And say for example, if you wanted to click 2020, so again the Tesla tops the chart, then there is Chevrolet, then there is Nissan, and so on and so forth. You wanted to visit the bookmark page of Tesla, or also you can go and check which other states Tesla is available. And there is also a comprehensive map of the entire US states where different kind of EVs are seen. Again, the similar kind of the cities. If you can see, Renton is one more city. I think it's towards mapping towards. I don't know whether geographically possible or not. We have used the location, the longitude, latitude, and it is directing to this particular city. We have also used a tooltip. So basic understanding is to use utilizing these resources which we have used it. Tooltips is one of the whenever you are hovering around, you can see it a kind of it's pointing or talking about that particular data. So here you can see this is the data which is talking about city Austin, and then the other features. So here also you can see the maximum is city Marietta, and the total EV, and like that it is mentioned. You can go to Vancouver also. It is whether it's showing to the right city state or not, but overall if you can check, this is what it is. Also we have a few DAX calculation, which is a top basically the max XX syntax that we have used, where we have found it the top EV maker, the top the top range, which is the max top range, the 337, right, which is quite good, I believe, and Tesla being the top EV makers. Similarly, you can check that we have used one of the BI AI visuals, which is called decompletion tree, and here we have used basically the makers, the city, and electric vehicle and model year as parameters. And whenever we are clicking here, and you can able to see the Tesla, the maximum EVs are there in Seattle, right? So count is also mentioned, and it's a lot of features that you can able to put it here. Talking about again, these are the kind of data trends we can see. This is the latest data. As we have mentioned that we are also working with different organizations, and building our reports and dashboards. If you would like to work with us, you can go to our my basically GitHub page, where you can take all the resources. If you would like to create similar kind of report or dashboard, you can take the resources from here. PBIX file is there, PNG file is there, basically the background PNG file is there, and you can create your report or dashboard. Also, a big shout out to our workshop that we are conducting on building business dashboards, including of advanced Excel and Power BI. So here it is, the page, which is 25 hours of live in-person sessions. When I say in person, it can be online, and basically live sessions. And so 10 hours of, as I mentioned, Excel, and 15 hours of the Power BI. Also, PL300 Q&A that we try. The entire objective is to promote, the Power BI, and also to understand how to create business dashboards. So, looking forward to you in our first sessions. Thank you. Thank you for